Budeshi. The word Budeshi means open it in Hausa. And the Budeshi project is about the development of an open contracting tool which links budget and procurement data to public services using the open contracting data standards. It was developed by the Public and Private Development Center, a non-government organization created to increase citizens' participation in governance processes in a way that improves the integrity of public and private sector processes. Over the years, different classes of users have emerged, ranging from citizens who demand accountability from government.
The other thing we've also noticed is that there are some things that seem ambiguous in the figures that you have. Agencies buying, hand sanitizers for over 40 million naira. Buying face masks for over 48 million naira.
How much a unit is it going for?
And you're wondering, are you buying for the entire state or you're buying for just an agency?
To procurement monitors who monitor project delivery in communities, not forgetting investigative journalists who analyze procurement data to uncover trends that will enable them tell data-driven stories about public procurement in Nigeria.
When we were introduced to the platform, we came across data on primary healthcare projects, those that were said to have been completed, those that were abandoned. So the data on primary healthcare found on Budeshi came in handy. We divided ourselves into groups. Some people went to other parts of the country, and from here I went to the southeastern part of Nigeria, where I visited 4 states and 8 local governments in search of completed and abandoned primary health care.
In 2016, the Budeshi platform started from being just a tech tool for publicly showcasing procurement data from ministries, departments, and agencies, and has evolved into a much adaptable project that has contributed immensely to the adoption of open contracting and adoption of related practices by agencies. An example of this is its use as an advocacy tool to demonstrate to subnational governments the utility of using uniform data standards to publish and report information across stages in the procurement value chain. This has led to the adoption of open contracting by 6 states in Nigeria, including Kaduna, Ekiti, Abia, Anambra, Kogi, and Adamawa states. These states have now gone forward to deploy their open contracting portals, which are currently in operation. It is impossible to not notice the ripple effect of this accomplishment and how it facilitates discussions around open contracting between government and civil society organizations who now work together and have conversations on how to ensure transparency and accountability with public funds.
How does contracting affect you? I'm sure everybody is seeing the line between the procurement process and what they do in their different spaces.
So far, over 300 CSOs have been trained, and that number keeps rising with sustained efforts. Budeshi has also aided investigations and contract monitoring for about 450 projects in various states across Nigeria since 2018. This monitoring is done by journalists and community-based monitors situated in this state. These activities are mostly welcomed by community members who directly benefit from these monitoring activities. A typical example is a school project, LGAA Kagoro, in Kaduna South, observed to have no infrastructure as at the time of assessment, in which the contractor came back to work after a sustained campaign and advocacy. The Budeshi platform has also been instrumental in organizing town hall meetings to conduct needs assessment of community dwellers. Here, accurate information is gathered and used to determine current situations and identify issues for action. Members of these communities also give their perspectives, and their feedback is useful in understanding their challenges and how best to tackle them.
It is definitely and seriously affecting the progress of the school. It is a new school with a very high population. As a matter of fact, this is the only secondary technical school in the whole of the local government.
Going forward, communities now understand how government works and how to engage their representatives to demand better governance. In the near future, the Budeshi project is primed to expand into all 36 states in Nigeria and bring state governments on board the Open Government Partnership Program to better harness the resources at the state level and also the national level. Budeshi. Open it to fix it.